While leaving Branson, your tour guide will talk to you while you gaze at the outskirts of Branson Landing and cross over the White River. After crossing the White River, the consist begins to gain speed as you blow through Hollister, Missouri, which so happens to be the only thriving town you will pass through along the ride. On board, there are many things to do, from wandering through the consist to getting a beverage like hot chocolate at the concession car. It's very enjoyable with your tour guide speaking to you and jolly holiday music or seasonal music playing in the background. While traveling along the Union Pacific Main Line, there are 2 tunnels, both of which are at least half a mile long. While you're in the tunnels, I recommend you get concessions, as they are decent quality and you're not missing out on any scenery. And while you're getting up and walking around in the cars in the tunnel, it gives you an idea of what it would be like to ride in the pitch dark at night. After clearing both tunnels, your train will continue on a little further and stop on a very high bridge in Arkansas. Then it will swap ends and come back the way you came from. Concessions close once you have cleared both tunnels for the second time, so make sure to get something. Then the train will come into the station after clearing Hollister, and you will unboard. As long as the train isn't crowded, the unboarding process is professional and quick. You will then depart the platform, and that will be the day.